अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एवोल्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग। देर आर सेवरल फैक्टर दैट पार्टिसिपेटेड रूल टू एवोल्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग लाइक फर्स्ट स्टेप है चेंज इन कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर, सेकंड एंड ऑफ द मास मार्केटिंग, थर्ड मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट फिलोसफीज, फोर evolving व्यूज ऑफ मार्केटिंग रूल रोल एवोल्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग। फर्स्ट हमारे पास आता है चेंज इन कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर। देयर हैव बीन मैनी मेजर मार्केटिंग शिफ्ट ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट फ्यू डेडिकेट्स that have shaped marketing in the 21st century. There is a view among professional marketers that there is no longer the substantial product loyalty that existed over the last few decades. Product and brand loyalty, many argue, has been replaced by something more to a consumer decision that is based on absence of a better product or services. In addition, there are major changes in the way customers look at market offering. During the 1980 customers were optimistic, and in the early 1990s they were pessimistic. Later in the 1990s, consumers appeared rather optimistic, but still at time. The following chart demonstrates some of the major shifts that have occurred to the present. आगे हमारा टॉपिक है बेसिक फोर्सेस केयर। इट हैज़ रिप्लेस्ड सर्विसेज इन इम्पोर्टेंस। मार्केटर मस्ट रियली केयर अबाउट द वे दे ट्रीट कस्टमर, मीनिंग दैट कस्टमर आर रियली एवरीथिंग। आगे है चॉइस। सेकंड है चॉइस। मार्केटर नीड टू रिसीव द डाइवर्सिटी marketing variables, why and breadth of their offering into a manageable, good, better, best selection. आगे है community. Even national marketer must be affiliated, attached to the neighborhood wherever they operate stories. Four है challenges. The task of dealing with the ongoing reality of demography change. The end of mass marketing, the beginning of marketing to individual. आगे है end of the mass market. During the late 1990s, we witnessed the death of the concept of mass market. Regardless, some marketers continue to argue that database marketing will never replace mass marketing for most products. The view is that communicating with user by email, website, mail, telephone or fax will never become cost efficient enough to justify the return. However, the success of the internet provides considerable evidence that one-to-one marketing is and will be for many packaged good and other high and low involvement products that in the past sold almost exclusively with brand advertising. Through the 1970s, only high-end retailer and personal services firms could afford to practice one-to-one marketing. For the most part, they did it the old-fashioned way with personal selling and index card files. During the 1990s, bookstore chains, supermarket, warehouse, club, and even restaurants began to track individual purchase transactions to build their share of the customer. Many of these programs now run on professional computer platform or workstation environments, much more powerful than the most capable frames of the 1970s, it possible today to track 5 or 6 million customers for the same real cost as tracking a single customer in 1950. With internet based capability capability has exploded in the last few years. The situation will become even more interesting as one-to-one marketing become even increasingly with any increasingly powerful array of much more efficient individually interactive vehicle. The options are virtually unlimited, including on-site interactively website connection, fax response, email, and interactive television connection, fax response, email, and interact television. Most households today either have direct internet access or with TV sets that also provide real-time interactivity through the internet. We are closing rapidly on the time where individuals will interact with their television and or computer simply by speaking to it. Virus website computer work for us to enable us to remember transaction and preference and find just the right entertainment information product and services. आगे हमारे पास आ जाता है इंक्रीजिंग डिवर्सिटी ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन. द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स हैज़ always been our nation. However, large number of immigrants from Latin America and Asia have increased the proportion of in the country to 1 in 3, up from 1 to 5 in 1980. This diversity is even more noticeable in the younger marketing, changing family and living pattern. There has been a substantial rise in the divorce rate, non-material births, and increased female participation in labor force. In addition, married couples with one earner make up only 15% of all household. आगे है much more common. The additional income is often necessary for the family to pay their stare. Older have replaced the store optical family of the 1950. Working parents with much less time available. आ गया emergency of new children marketing income. The education marketing management philosophies. There are several alternative philosophies that can guide organization in their efforts to carry out their marketing goals. The production concept, the product concept, the selling concept, the marketing concept, the societal marketing concept. Key marketing philosophies: the production concept, the product concept. The product concept hold that consumer will favor products that are available and highly offerable, and that management should their focus on improving production and distribution efficiency. This is one of the oldest philosophies that guides seller. The production concept in useful when: first, demand for a product exceeds the supply. Second, the product cost is too high and improved productivity is needed to bring it down. फिर the product concept. The product concept states that consumer will favor products that offer the most quality, performance, and features, and that the organization should therefore devote its energy to making continuous product improvement. The product concept can also lead to marketing the failure to see the challenges being presented by other products. Okay, Allah Hafiz.